Here's a story about the positive impact of remote patient monitoring on this doctor's practice. Dr. Frank's patients look forward to a big smile hiding behind his bushy mustache whenever they visit his office. People say that his positive attitude is more infectious than the viruses that bring them there in the first place. But there's a problem. Dr. Frank is losing patients. Despite his old-school approach and great bedside manner, patients are switching to urgent care providers and places that offer digital healthcare instead of coming to him. So he works longer hours and weekends trying to compete with the 24/7 availability of these providers, but he's exhausted and still losing patients. When a woman who's been under his care for many years is hospitalized without his knowledge, he finally realizes he's got to make a change. Dr. Frank is familiar with the concept of digital health solutions, but has no intention of sharing his patients' data with a third-party provider. He builds his own remote patient monitoring program, but quickly realizes it's much harder than expected. Overwhelmed, he's missing the billing opportunities he desperately needs to cover the cost of the expensive remote patient monitoring devices. He's losing money on the program, and the stress is impacting his bedside manner. His patients miss the old Dr. Frank. When Dr. Frank is sitting with his colleague, Dr. Sam, a cardiologist, her phone vibrates with an alert. He's curious, and she explains that Health Wealth Safe is a digital health IT company that allows doctors to connect with their patients and monitor their health in real time from anywhere. An alert from the HWS app recently allowed her to make a critical intervention for a patient that saved them from becoming hospitalized. Dr. Frank schedules a demo with Health Wealth Safe. They show him how Health Wealth Safe simplifies patient enrollment, collection of reimbursement, and comes with no upfront costs on FDA-approved cellular devices. The engagement tools will help him maintain the personal touch he's famous for. And, best of all, everything complies with regulations for patient data encryption and security. With no cost to get started and only 90 days to start seeing an impact on his bottom line, he has no excuse not to try it out. The process of getting signed up with HWS is simple and secure. Once he has signed all of the paperwork that legally binds Health Wealth Safe to protect his patient's data and allows HWS to do a patient data analysis, he picks his launch date, gets comfortable with the platform interface, registers his patients, and his staff gets trained by HWS. Fully onboarded, he can keep track of his patients from anywhere and get the rest he needs. Dr. Frank's smile is back, and so are his patients. Are you ready for a simple, effective, remote patient monitoring solution for your practice? Schedule a demo today.